Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today in this video I will show you how to clean your PC. So let's get started. So guys, in this video I will show you how to clean your PC. Means in our daily life we install and uninstall many type of software, and we also use many applications on our daily basis. So all these applications create a temporary files in our system which make our system slow. So today in this video I will show you how to clean all that files. So first of all I will go to my computer. So for that I will go to my start menu, and then I will search for this PC. And here we can see that in C drive my Windows is installed. So I will click on this drive, I will right click on this drive, and then I will go to properties, and now I will click on this cleanup. So what it will do, it will load all the temporary files, and here we can see that we have 109 MB of junk file which we have to delete. So to delete all this file I will just click on OK, and then I will click on delete files. So now all my files have been deleted. And if I want to also clean up system update file, then what I have to do, I have to again click on this cleanup, and now I will click on clean up system file. But please only do this step if you know that what you are doing, because it also delete Windows update files. So if you want to go back to your previous Windows, so you cannot go after cleaning all these files. So here also we can see that we have 31 MB of junk files. So again I will click on OK, and it will delete all my files. So now half of our files have been deleted, but still there are some temporary files which we have to delete manually. So for that I will now press Windows plus R button, and here you can see that there is one dialog box appear. Now in the open, first I will type TEMP, which is TEMP, and as we will open this folder we will see that there are many type of files, but all these are temporary files, so we can delete these files. So I will just select all the files, and then I will click on delete, and if it is showing something like this, then just click on this option and skip all these files, because all these files are open in some of the applications. So nothing to worry, we can just skip all these files. So now our temp folder has been cleaned. Now I will again press Ctrl plus R, and now I will type recent, which is RECENT, and here also I will first select all the files by pressing Ctrl plus A, and then I will delete all these files. Now again I will press the same button, which is Ctrl plus R, and now I will type prefetch, which is PREFETCH, and similarly I will delete all the files here. And if it is showing something like this, just check this option and then click on escape. And the last I will type percentage and then temp, and here also I will delete all the files. I will mention all the folder names in the description of this video, because it is hard to remember all the folders name. So no need to worry, you can check the folder names from the description. So here it will take some time to delete, and now you will notice that once all the files are deleted, your PC will become fast, and you will also see that some additional spaces also has been increased in your Windows drive. So like this you can clean all the junk file of your Windows operating system. So that's all for today's video. Hope you like this video. If you have any question, you can comment below, and please subscribe to my channel for more amazing videos like this.